Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today decided just to do a quick on-prompt video. Actually going on a little road trip today with the TRX. Nothing too far, a few hundred miles, going down to the Keys, the Florida Keys, Key West. So we're gonna take the TRX, gonna just do a little video, bring you guys along for the trip, see what kind of gas mileage we get on this thing. I've never really driven it on like a short road trip like this. The furthest I've done was like Palm Beach to Orlando, which is I think like 400-mile round trip, I think. So I think this one's gonna be a little bit longer. So yeah, short video. It's just gonna be not a lot of talking, just kind of showing you guys the sights and then just driving the TRX down there. So enjoy the video, guys, and see you at the end. of course, we had to stop for gas, but honestly, the TRX did pretty well on gas, if I gotta say. This is the first fuel stop I've had to make, and it's on the way back home. So when I get back to the garage, I'll actually show you guys the actual, miles per gallon we were getting on this thing for this little road trip. All right, everyone, we're finally back home now. Short little vacation, little road trip. Roughly drove a little over 600 miles, and this thing did absolutely awesome on fuel. I was thinking I was gonna have to fill up at least like 3 times, and honestly, I just had to fill up right before I got on the road, and I filled up just as I was like about like halfway back up here. So really good in regards to MPG on this thing. A lot of people, they bitch about like this thing gets like 5 miles per gallon and all that. Sorry about that, the phone connected to the Uconnect and cut it off. But yeah, like I was saying, if you're not driving like a total douchebag, this truck actually gets, decent MPG considering the caliber of truck it is. This is a 7,000 pound, 700 horsepower truck, and to be averaging double digits, mile MPG, that's pretty good. And like I was saying earlier, I filled up just as I was getting on the road, and then I filled up like halfway back up, and you can see I'm still like I've only gone through like a quarter over there. So this thing really isn't as bad as people make it out to be. There's a lot of haters out there trying to say that you get like 5-6 MPG with this truck. You definitely don't. I have no reason to lie. We're getting 13 miles per gallon over here. That's what we're averaging. It is what it is. I'm fully transparent. I'm telling you the truth. So, haters, eat your heart out on that regard. But yeah, guys, short video today. It was a, kind of a random one, kind of a little bit of a travel mixed with a TRX video. This was the first, semi road trip I took with the TRX. It wasn't super far, less than 1,000 miles, but I think it did pretty good. And, 13 miles per gallon, not too bad for a super truck. So yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Yeah, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. That always makes my day. I always appreciate that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.